Hello everybody, welcome back Dharam's Code Mystery 7, and today in this video we will learn how to install WhatsApp in our Windows PC or laptop. So let's begin on it. So first of all, here you can see this is my Microsoft Store. So you just need to open on your Microsoft Store, and here you can see it's loading now. Make sure you have a strong connection of internet on your PC or laptop. So if you just scroll down, you can see in the first option of first application is a WhatsApp. If you don't find the WhatsApp on here, you can go on search bar and find it very easily. So here you can see this is a search bar. If you just type here WhatsApp and enter it. So here you can see it's open simply. If you want to install it, you just need to click on get. So right now you can see start downloading. So you just need to wait for complete. So right now you can see it's open. So if you just open it, here you can see the WhatsApp already installed on your PC. Minimize this. So there have no icon. If you want to make an icon on here, you just go on here, type on WhatsApp and right click, pin to taskbar. So here you can see there have a icon right now. You can open it, and now you can log in and use this WhatsApp. So I hope you can understand and hope this video can help you. Don't forget like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video. And guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to receive notification of my channel. Thank you guys for watching my video.